Don't laugh at me.
Did you ever get hiccups, Miriam? Nana's gotten them before. Oh, no.
Oh no, they keep coming. I got some bad hiccups. That was a bad one. Oh man, what am I gonna do?
Poor mama.
Are my hiccups funny?
Yep.
Don't laugh at me. Is mommy making funny noises? Is that a funny noise?
Mommy's hiccups won't go away.
Oh no.
She's gonna get tired. Eat your hamburger baby cakes and your french fries. Are you full? You want something to drink? Here it is. There's your cup. Oh no, don't yawn, please.